Transform your custom merchandise company with the Brick Factory. It's an all-encompassing print-on-demand powerhouse. Our cutting-edge platform empowers you to automate and oversee your merchandising production operations in real time. Designed with a laser focus on businesses that customize products like t-shirts, hoodies, garments, and merchandise, mugs, cutting boards, glassware, and personalized beauty items, the Brick Factory is the ultimate solution, offering a dynamic workflow that simplifies product creation, design, and customization. With dedicated workflow automation, the Brick Factory syncs seamlessly with industry-leading hardware such as Brother, Core-Neat, Happy Japan machines, and many more. Covering diverse printing methods such as direct-to-garment (DTG), direct-to-film (DTF), embroidery, screen printing, sublimation, engraving, and cut and sew products, among others. Plus, our platform allows effortless integration with garment and product supplier databases, giving you access to a vast array of products and options, ultimately reducing inventory costs through a just-in-time stocking approach. Prepare to revolutionize your personalized product business. Streamline channel sales. Take charge of all your sales channels effortlessly from a single, ultra-secure, cloud-based command center. Revolutionize inventory management. Transform your inventory management into a well-oiled machine. Seamlessly import top-quality products from trusted suppliers and tap into the incredible power of the product ordering system. Automate your workflow. Experience the future of print production. Send print-ready files directly to your printers with various cutting-edge processes like DTG, DTF, screen printing, sublimation, and more. Effortless order fulfillment and drop shipping. Fulfill orders and drop ship to your branded stores or seamlessly integrated e-commerce resellers, ensuring smooth and efficient operations at every turn. Supercharge your personalized merchandise company with these game-changing capabilities. Contact us for a demonstration or more information.